This is a 4-wire horn strobe. You might see one of these in a nursing home or a healthcare facility, possibly in a school where the control panel has a coded output for the horns. Wiring these, you'll have a horn circuit come in and a horn circuit go out, strobe circuit in and a strobe circuit out. That zone was programmed to code 2s. Another zone might be programmed to code 3s or 4s. Staff in the building would be trained to identify those codes so they know the origin of the alarm. You might see 4-wire NAC devices on an older fire alarm or one that was retrofitted. If you're installing wire to add any devices, tag your circuits horn and strobe, or at least use different color electrical tapes to identify them. Older horn strobes were not programmable. They only had a steady output. The strobe requires constant power in order to flash. That's why if you needed coded or march time signals, you needed to have separate circuits to control them. If you're adding or replacing anything on a 4-wire NAC circuit, you need to order the correct device. A 2-wire horn strobe will not work properly.